Hi, my name is Megan Lenskold. In this presentation, I'll be walking through three business questions the team posed on our customer base: who our VIP customers are, which generations are driving the most spend and in what categories, and how we can use those patterns to inform our marketing strategy. The first question was, who are our VIP customers? And the team was pretty clear that this isn't just about who spends the most in a single transaction, it's about loyal, repeat buyers over time. Looking at the data, we see that nearly 80% of our registered users made at least one purchase. When we look at order value, male customers average at about $91 per order, while female customers average at about $81 per order. But female customers actually lead in total order volume, which tells us that they're buying more frequently, even at a slightly lower basket size. When we define VIPs, we're really looking for two things: purchase frequency over time and generational loyalty. By those measures, millennials and Gen X are our core VIP cohort. Moving on to the second question: which generation spends the most and on what? The chart on the left shows total spend by generation and gender. Millennial men are the top spenders overall at 14.2% of total spend, followed closely by Gen X men and then millennial women, who lead in order volume at 13.9% of total orders. Gen Z is behind, but we shouldn't completely dismiss them. They have the longest customer lifetime ahead. The table on the right breaks down the top two products categories per segment. And what's interesting here is how consistent the pattern is. Female customers across every generation prefer intimates and dresses, and male customers across every generation prefer jeans and underwear, with one exception. Millennial men wear tops and tees, edge out underwear as the second category. The consistency is actually a key insight, which brings us to the takeaway. Category preferences are nearly identical across generations. That means the marketing lever isn't the product, it's actually the channel and the tone. For millennial women, the priority is retention. They're already our highest frequency buyers, so the loyalty programs and trend-driven content about intimates and dresses are the play. For millennial men, the highest spenders, premium and bundles are what's going to make sense. Casual lifestyle positioning around jeans and tops and tees. For Gen X, the strategy shifts. They may prefer value-oriented messaging over trend content. And importantly, search was the top traffic source for both Gen X men and women. That tells us paid search and SEO, targeting keywords like quality or value, is where we should be investing for the group. And then for Gen Z, the category preferences mirrors older generations, but the channel is what matters. So they're a smaller segment today, but acquisition investment now builds long-term value. The through line across all of this: the product story doesn't need to change much by the generation. But what does need to change is how we reach each group and what angle we lead them with. Thank you so much.